Here at DelVal, all students get hands-on experience in their field of study in year one. Let's go meet Jamie. She's a junior majoring in agricultural education, and she's going to tell us about DelVal's award-winning experiential learning program called E360. This is not just another internship program. There's a lot more to it. Jamie?
Thanks, Alex. Hey, everyone. What if I told you that 100% of students at DelVal have gained real-world experience in their career field before graduation? Yep, that's right. This is achieved through our experiential education, also known as our E360 program. This innovative program integrates classroom knowledge with real-world experience, individualized to your major. Between internships, study abroad programs, student research, community service, and so much more, E360 allows you to choose an exciting and educational experience perfect for you. As an education major, my E360 requirements are fulfilled through my student teaching semester my senior year and through various hours of field experience during my time as a student here. Our Center for Student Professional Development, also known as our CSPD, has an accessible website that allowed me to explore internships and secure 3 jobs during my time as a student here. And through the CSPD website, I could contact and apply directly to the employers. I had the opportunity to intern at a nursery and a wildflower preserve, building my knowledge in horticulture and growing my portfolio for when I enter the classroom one day. I even traveled to South Africa to immerse myself in their culture and learn more about their agricultural industry. Our E360 program was named the 2019 Outstanding Experiential Education Program by the National Society for Experiential Education. In data collected by the class of 2019, we had a 94% graduate success rate. 79% of these students secured a job upon graduation, and 15% of these students went on to continue their education. This high success rate is a result of our impactful E360 program. Although I would love to tell you more about the benefits of our experiential learning program for students, there is so much more to love about DelVal, and I wouldn't want you to miss out. Let's throw it back to Alex to learn more about what this amazing university has to offer. Back to you, Alex.
Great description, Jamie. No wonder DelVal grads are so successful at getting jobs or going on to graduate school. Thank you for sharing your story. That was fantastic. Cheers, Jamie.